This is under power video demonstration of an Okuma Captain L370-MW CNC lathe with C-axis live milling sub spindle. Comes with an LNS quick load Serve 80 control. We're just doing an overall walk around and then we're going to run the machine. The machine is actually running right now. As we look at the machine has right now 6,571 cutting hours. The machine is in absolutely fantastic shape. Bar feed. There's a parts catcher. Again, right now we are just running the machine at about 400 RPMs. The collet spindle, tool eye presetter. Live milling and sub spindle. And the chip conveyor, as you can see, goes out discharges out the rear. We're going to run the spindles up and down so you can hear the spindle run. What are we running at right now?
Just 400 RPM.
Okay, 400 is right now where we're at. $13.50. Full spindles. That's 3,800 right now. 3,800.
It's up top right now. $3,800 for that.
Oh, okay.
My tools are $4,500.
Oh, okay. We're going to run the sub spindle. 3,800 is the max on the main spindle. The live tools are 4,500. What is it running out there? 1350. 1350. 600. 150 to 250. 700. 150. 36. 38. 3,800 RPM. Want to take a look at the ways. You can see them. Overall condition of the machine is excellent. So this concludes our under power video demonstration. Obviously you see it's an Okuma OSP P200L control. Again, it's like 6,500 hours cutting hours on the machine since they bought it new. The machine is in absolutely excellent condition. They actually, every 2 weeks, whether the machine runs or not, they do a 200 RPM, cycle all the axes, all the spindles, keep the lube oil and everything going properly. They do very, very accurate work here. And it's just time to do something new. This concludes our underpowered video demonstration of the Okuma Captain L370-MW new in 2007.